and welcome to Avril's room. Today you see I'm at a different place. I'm not at home. I'll show you this. This is my cool animal fans race. Whoever gets to that pineapple first wins the race. But there could be 3 coins for each of the animals before it ends. So let's go for it. 3, 2, 1, go! Looks like the sheep win. Let's give her a coin. Good job, sheepy. Try again, horsey. Yes, just like the horsey one. It's a tie. What's for the horsey? This is the big race. Race garden. Now let's start again. 3, 2, 1. It's the last chance. Whoever wins is the second to tie. Looks like they don't need this anymore. They can just play it by themselves. Her coin, his coin. 3, 2, 1, go! Looks like they both won. They both won, guys. Have you ever seen a race like that? That's someone both won. 3, 2, 1, go! Both won again. One for you, one for you. They both won. And now I'll show you this. Look, I have this candy machine here, but these are not actually, I'm not going to eat them for real actually. Because these are actually not good to eat. So I'm not going to eat it at all. I'll show you how to play it. Let's get these 2 here first. And the pink one and the yellow one goes to the sheep, and the green one and the blue one goes to the horse. Whoever has the most wins. Remember? Each one has to get 3 of one of the candies and count which has the most. Who has the most? So let's begin now. The back looks like this. The front looks like this, just like a real one. It's just a mini kind. Oh, we got a green one just for the horsey. Let's start the horsies first. But first, to choose his color of food. If he wants grass or water to drink or eat right now. Let's open this up. Let's cut out. There you go, little horsey. Do you want grass or water? You want water? There you go. Oops. I forgot there was 2 more, but these 2 can be for the sheep, another one for the sheep, one for there. That's good. Now I have everyone here. The horse gets grass too, and the sheep gets water. And now everyone, this Avril video is just kind of long, but it's not so. Bye-bye. We'll do this next week again, but make sure you click the like and subscribe. Bye!
Subscribe.